everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. For today's video, I wanted to show you what I got in my purchase of Sephora recently. I recently did some shopping online and I got some really cute goodies and also some samples which I will be using in this video to create this look right here. So if you'd like to see how to get this look and what I got in my Sephora package, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. Hey guys, so let me show you what I got in my Sephora haul, which is so exciting. So first of all, I did get this sample which I will be using today. This Smashbox Studio foundation, super good foundation. I also got a cream, I got this little palette to go, and I also got some lipsticks and some lip pencils as well as a highlighter. And of course this gorgeous eyeliner. So let's get started. Starting off with this moisture cream, and this is by Youth to the People. This cream was so good. Since this day I have used it every day. I'm literally loving this cream. It's leaving my skin so smooth and ready for makeup application. Then I went in with the Smashbox 2.4 shade for this foundation, and I applied it with the back of a makeup brush, and I'm applying it all over my face before blending it out using a beauty sponge. I then took the contour color as well in the same shade, and I'm contouring my face. And as you can see, the foundation really did blend out really well, so I'm excited to blend this out over top. I'm then taking the same makeup sponge and I'm blending it all out, and as you can see, this is blending out beautifully. It is not giving any type of harsh lines or weird color. It is really made really well, so I'm super excited about this foundation. I then went in with the Too Faced Chocolate Chip palette. This smells so good. I went in with the color White Chocolate. I'm applying this all over my eyelid. I then took the color Matte Hazelnut, and then I'm applying this onto my crease, and I'm just doing windshield wiper motions to blend it back and forth. Then taking the color Triple Fudge, this is such a great color. I'm actually taking this color and applying it on to the outer edge of my eye. I'm first applying it and then I'm going to be blending it out afterward. But first I want to pack on the color and then blend it out. Here I took another brush and I'm just using it to blend it out. So again, windshield wiper motions, just back and forth so you can really blend that color out. Then taking the color Cherry Cordial, I'm taking this on a Morphe G16 brush. It's nice and angled, so it'll give me that really precise sharp V that I really want at the edge of my eye. Then taking the color Creme Brulee, I'm just taking this and I'm applying it all over my eyelid and blending all the colors out really well. Then taking a bit more of the Triple Fudge color, I'm taking that on a smaller Sigma brush and I'm just applying that onto my lower lash line. Then I also took the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This mascara is so good. As you can see, just applying one layer of it, I mean, look at the difference. It's literally mind-blowing. I really am impressed with this mascara. And then I took the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm just using this to further contour my face as well and really define those shadows. So these artist color pencils are so much fun because you can literally use them all over your face for so many different application methods. I'm first using it to apply onto my cheeks as blush. So as you can see, I'm just drawing it on and then blending it out, and they blend so beautifully. I was really impressed with this product and I can't wait to have more fun with it as well, and the other colors that I did purchase. Then I'm taking the color Daiquiri and Rum Punch. This is by Tarte, and I'm using the same Lava and So On pencil by Makeup Forever to first line my lip. And then first applied the Tarte lipstick in the color Daiquiri, and I applied this all over my lips. And after that I went over top with the color Rum Punch, and I'm applying just only to the center of my lips, as I do want to kind of give that more plumped and pouty look. So I'm applying it first and then I'm blending it out using my finger. That way it leaves nice smoothness all over the lips and there are no harsh lines between the two colors. Then going in with the Lancome Click and Glow highlighter. This is in the color Rose. This was so cool because you can literally just brush it onto your skin and then you can just blend it out, and it gave a really subtle highlight. It looked really natural. It just looked like skin. It didn't look like it was way too much, so I really like this product. And then last but not least, I'm taking the Marc Jacobs eyeliner. This is in the color Whirlpool. This is such a gorgeous color, and I'm just applying this onto my waterline, back and forth as well. That way you can get that really nice pigmentation. They're so creamy and they last all day long. So gorgeous. So this really made the look just pop. I'm so happy with this fun summer look that I've created using these products. I really love them all and I was really impressed with some of them. So super happy with my Sephora purchases. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, as well as watching to see which products I did get from Sephora and seeing how I use both the products as well as the samples on myself. Hopefully they help you to make decisions as to what to buy next, because who doesn't love buying makeup, right?
So if you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Please subscribe below, give me a big thumbs up. It'll really help support my channel. And until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.